Ever tried frying an egg on a stainless steel pan and it turned into like disaster? Stuck, torn, ruined breakfast. What if I told you you don't need a non-stick pan at all? Today, I'll show you the simple trick to make your stainless steel pan behave like non-stick. Main technique, temperature. Temperature is everything. You need to preheat your pan to about 230 degrees Celsius. No thermometer, no problem. We use something called the water test. Once your pan is hot, add a few drops of water. If it sizzles and disappears to cold, but if it forms a ball and glides around like mercury, that's perfect. That's when you know your pan is ready. Now, remove the water and add your oil. Yes, stainless steel always needs oil. Let it heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And one more important tip. Use room temperature eggs. Cold eggs from the fridge can shock the pan and cause sticking. Now gently crack your egg into the pan. And watch this. No sticking, no tearing. Just a perfect sunny side up with crispy edges. Once you master this, you'll never go back to non-stick. Follow for more simple kitchen hacks and stay tuned. I've got more cooking secrets coming your way. Look at that, perfectly cooked. Have you ever tried using a stainless steel pan before? Did your egg stick or did you get it right? Drop your experience in the comments.